Okay, so for us to be able to access the input here, we do a V model. We do a V model, which will equal to, if I scroll down, new feeds dot new feed weight. Okay, so we're going to do new feeds dot new feed weight. Okay, great. So if I come down here, okay, I need to remove this, by the way, because it's still reflecting that. Then I get down here, so I'm going to do a console.log of what we get from new feeds, okay? So I'm going to do this dot new feeds dot new feed amount. Okay, so we should console and log that. All right, if I click update undefined, check this. If I change the value to 1, oh, still showing undefined, let me check. New feeds. Okay, so this dot cons. So new feeds dot new feed weight. Sorry, it's supposed to be new feed weight, not new feed amount. Okay, so let's do that again. Okay, if I click undefined, if I check to 1, it is 1. If I check to 4, it is 4. If I go back to 0, it is 0. All right, so we're going to first check what if instead of undefined, we should make sure that if it is empty, so undefined is like saying it is empty. We're going to make sure that if it is empty, okay, it gives us something in the console. All right, so here I come with the if statement. So if, okay, this dot new feeds dot that is empty. So if this dot new feeds dot that is equal to null, okay, or undefined, so it is not. If it is known that, what should happen? Okay, else if it is already that, what should happen again? Okay, so else we already have the statement that it should give us the value, but if not that, what should it be? It should tell us that the field is still empty. Okay, so let us check. All right, so feeds, the field is empty. If I go to 1, it shows 1, blah, 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 and that. Okay, so I should also define if the field is 0. So I can write an else if statement here. So it can be else if, okay, and then whatever goes in the curly brackets. So else if this dot weight dot that is equivalent to 0, okay, it should console.log that feeds are 0. The feeds are 0. Okay, so let's try again. If undefined, okay, the feed is still empty. If we go to 3, it shows 3. If we go to 0, the feeds are 0. All right, so, but this is not the proper way. There is a summarized way. So instead of using the else if, okay, I'm going to use all, okay? So all is written like this. All if this dot weight, okay, is equivalent to 0. So we can say the field is empty or 0. I'm just going to add or 0. Just like that. So let us check update. So the field is empty or 0. 3, 4, the field is. Then if I go back to 0, the field is empty or 0. All right, so which means we can apply the same check onto this, okay? And we can also check if any of these is empty or 0, and then it brings back a feedback. So that feedback can be put in something called errors. But we're going to see how we define that. So this shifted because of the panel up there, okay? This shifted because of the label up here. But we can add the label. So where is the label? Okay. So label can be feeds, and then the other can be amount. So they are static labels. The other can be amount.